making a sandwich. We're flying with our cheese. We're taking the cheese, pulling it off. Pull off the cheese. Pull off the cheese. Plastic. Pull it off and lay it on the bread. Lay it on. Woo! We don't want the mustard. We want the mustard. We don't want the. We want the mustard. Chicken it up. Chicken the mustard out. Chicken the mustard out. Chicken mustard out. Chicken the mustard out. Woo! We do a zigzag thing, and then we slice. A zigzag thing, and we slice. Whoa! Whoa! I am a Japanese with a tomato on the bread. We're doing the tomato on the bread. Slap it together. Woo! And slice it. We're slicing it into a triangle. Meow meow.